Once upon a time, a thirsty crow was searching for water on a hot summer day, feeling the heat pressing down on him. He spotted a pot in a garden, and when he looked inside, he saw just a little bit of water at the bottom. Determined to quench his thirst, the crow noticed some pebbles lying nearby and had a clever idea. He began picking up the pebbles one by one and dropping them into the pot. With each pebble he dropped, the water level rose higher and higher until finally it was within reach. The crow joyfully dipped his beak into the cool water, feeling a wave of relief wash over him. Feeling refreshed and grateful, the clever crow took a moment to bask in his success. With a satisfied caw, he flew off into the sky, ready for new adventures.